lang ba? Wait lang. I want to buy some big. I wanted to buy for
Ano? What do you wanna buy?
I want to buy biscuit.
Biscuit?
Oh,
What biscuit? What kind of biscuit do you wanna buy?
lang.
Oy, hindi yan biscuit.
No, it cookie. This one.
Hindi yan cookie.
Number 2.
Hindi yan cookie. Tingnan mo nga, hindi yan cookie.
Ayun, oh, biscuit.
May ganyan tayo sa bahay.
Wala biscuit. No
May
more.
ganyan tayo sa bahay.
Wala.
Hala. Oh, enough na. Go to the counter na.